Hello and welcome to English with LJ. I create content that is designed to help you improve your English and take you to the next level, regardless of what level that might be, whether it's A1, B1, or even C1. In this video, we're going to test your English. We're going to put your English to the test, and we're going to look at synonyms. Now, I'm going to read you a word, and there will be 4 words on screen. 3 of them are synonyms. All you need to do is figure out which of the 4 words is not a synonym of the word that I read. So we're looking for words that are not synonyms. So if you need more time after each question, just press pause and then you can press play when you're ready to move on. After each question, I will then give you the answer and we'll see how well you know synonyms. So let's go. Which word is not a synonym? Question number 1. Tedious. Tedious. Is that boring, monotonous, tiresome, or exciting? Which word is not a synonym of tedious? Boring, monotonous, tiresome, exciting. And the answer is exciting. Question 2. Resolute. Resolute. Is that hesitant, determined, steadfast, or persistent? Which is the odd word out there? Hesitant, determined, steadfast, or persistent? Which is not a synonym. And it's hesitant. Question number 3. Vulnerable. Is that susceptible, exposed, invincible, or defenseless? Is vulnerable. Which word is not a synonym? Susceptible, exposed, invincible, defenseless. And the answer is invincible. Question 4. Graceful. Graceful. Is that refined, clumsy, elegant, or beautiful? Refined, clumsy, elegant, beautiful. And the word that is not a synonym is clumsy. Question 5. Fragile. Is that weak, durable, brittle, or delicate? Weak, durable, brittle, or delicate? And the answer is durable. Question 6. Gloomy. Is that cheerful, dark, depressing, or dreary? Which word is not a synonym of gloomy? Cheerful, dark, depressing, dreary. And the answer is cheerful. Question 7. Diligent. Is that industrious, hardworking, lazy, or persistent? Industrious, hardworking, lazy, or persistent? Diligent. And it's lazy. Adversary. Adversary. Is that opponent, rival, foe, or ally? Opponent, rival, foe, or ally? And the answer is ally. Compulsory. Is that optional, mandatory, required, obligatory? Optional, mandatory, required, obligatory. And the answer is optional. Vivid. Is that bright, dull, colourful, lively? Vivid is the word that is not a synonym. Is it bright, dull, colourful, or lively? And the answer is dull. Question number 11. Mute. Is that silent, noiseless, vocal, or quiet? Mute. Silent, noiseless, vocal, or quiet? And the answer is vocal. Question 12. Eloquent. Eloquent. Is that articulate, fluent, expressive, or ignorant? Is that articulate, fluent, expressive, or ignorant? And it's ignorant. Question 13. Ponder. Ponder. Is that contemplate, ignore, reflect, evaluate? Contemplate, ignore, reflect, or evaluate? And the answer is ignore. Question 14. Increase. Is that grow, expand, reduce, escalate? Increase, grow, expand, reduce, or escalate? And the answer is reduce. Question 15. Slight. Is that small, minor, negligible, or significant? Small, minor, negligible, or significant? And the answer is significant. Influence. Influence. Is that impact, avoid, affect, or control? Impact, avoid, affect, or control? And the answer is avoid. So, how did you do? Did you get all 16 correct? Well done if you did. That means you're roughly around, well, at least B1 kind of level. These synonyms would be around B1 kind of level. So well done if you got all 16 of those correct. Maybe you didn't get all of those correct, and you need to go and have a look at synonyms. So basically, words that have a similar kind of meaning and that you can use in a sentence instead of that particular word. I do have a video available on synonyms explaining them, so if you need to go and have a look at that, please do. This isn't a test to compare yourself to other people. It's only to see where you are. So only worry about your level of English. Don't worry about anybody else's. We're only trying to improve your level. So I have a Patreon. If you would like to become part of my Patreon, you can do so. The link is in the description. There is a lot of material available on Patreon that will help you improve your English, study materials, tests, reading materials, writings, all different things to help you improve your English. And I'm trying to add to that all the time on Patreon. So if that's something you would like to do, the link is in the description. Also, I do have a course that is available to take you from A1 to A2, or cement your level as A2. It's available on Amazon for a download. It's available on most Amazon channels. So if that's something you would like to have a look at, you can go and have a look and download that. That's quite a in-depth English course that is available. It is free of charge on Patreon. So if you join Patreon, you will have access to that course. Please like this video if you did, and give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe as well. It will keep you up to date with future videos as and when I create them. If there are videos that you would like me to create, let me know. If you would like me to do the videos in a different style, let me know as well. If you're liking the videos, please let me know. I try to make content that is useful to you, so feedback is important. So let me know what type of videos you would like to see, what type of subjects you would like me to create them on. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.